What you got? What are you playing with? It's a little box.
I can't unbox my box, man.
You need a knife. We're not prepared for this. What is it? Hang on, I can't see from there. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Right. Okay, we bought. Drone.
Whoa, hello.
Little Mini 2.
Mini 2.
Drone Mini.
Dude, let's go. We can get some seriously good shots with this.
Depending on how quickly,
If you can get it out.
how quickly we crash it. So, this is a YouTube unboxing.
First
Let's do a
unboxing.
proper one. Let's do a proper one.
Our
I
first
think we should set
unboxing.
the camera up.
Yeah, okay.
Where you're like, this is what's in the box. Because that's, I've seen loads of people do that.
Shall we?
And they get like 1 million hits.
Ben, looking posh. If I put it on...
Nutjob.
Welcome to Nutjob's first unboxing.
Probably first and only.
First and only.
So he's like, and we've already told him in the intro, didn't we?
Yeah, so you should be aware of what we're unboxing, and it is
El Droney
El Dronio.
DJI Mini 2.
No,
£549. This is the Fly combo kit, which means you get more stuff in it. You get like
ultralight and
ultralight. Sorry, were you reading?
I was just about to tell him.
I got it.
It's ultralight and foldable, less than 249 grams, which I think
You just don't need a license.
means you don't need a license.
I think you can still get in trouble if you crashed into somebody, but you don't need a license.
We'll avoid people at all costs. It has a panorama, quick shots,
Panorama.
one-tap videos, 3-axis gimbal camera, 4K video. That's pretty sweet. How many Ks is that?
4K.
4Ks.
Yep. 4K.
Yeah, fly more. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh, did you get a whole like?
Get a bag.
Let's find out. Let's crack it open.
yeah,
Let's see
okay.
what we got inside here. All right.
So we haven't told him why we got it.
Why have we got it?
So he's getting all carried away. Right, so imagine him on Christmas Day, can't you? We've got it so that we can film the vans, and the first thing we're going to do.
Maybe get a little more cinematic. You know,
Yeah.
some real nice shots, some like sweeping landscape shots, maybe.
Bit of
following-
harmonious music.
Can we open it now?
Yeah, okay.
There we go. Right. I mean, firstly, really nice quality bag. It's really. This is it. It's fantastic. I've never seen anything like it. It's like, it looks like you could throw it into the ocean; it would still be watertight. Don't do that. Almost certainly don't do that.
Oh, I have the power. I don't have the power actually.
That's the
I have the controller.
Show us what it's about. Probably a floppy disk in here.
L book. Oh yeah, floppy disk.
Floppy disk, maybe.
Right. Hang on, is this dusty?
Yeah, I don't really want to put it on that.
Un momento, says Plow. Show people what it
This
is.
isn't going to happen.
Johnson's gasoline.
I like it. We printed it out.
We printed that. We make these things.
You got something to weigh that down.
Just your sense of
Sit on
humour.
It went down like a lead balloon. Wow, yeah, it comes with a little dividing bag, which is really nice, so you can keep all in the correct parts.
I'm guessing they've done it, so
This
all
is
the bits
it.
once we've undone
This
them.
is it.
What we're doing first?
Well, we'll do the actual drone. We'll do the Mini 2.
Right. I'll leave
So
the
it's got
controller there then.
a little wrap-up case there, and it actually folds up to the size. I mean,
See, this is supposed to be like an unboxing, right? You just unbox everything.
that
No,
Is that not the
we'll
point?
put some stuff back in the box for a minute, right? There we go.
Right.
And then you can.
Oh, it's like a transformer. Okay, wait.
Are you going to
Unfold
break
the-
this?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Unfold the front arms forwards. 1, 2. Oh, we're halfway there. 2. Unfold the rear arms downwards.
Whoa.
It's got like a spring-loaded action, so that's quite satisfying.
Nice.
Pops that out. Ooh,
Something just fell off.
we don't need that bit. That's fine. Number 3. There was only 2. There were 2 steps, and we've completed them.
I think you have to take
We're
the
done.
cover off the gimbal, but we're not going to do that now. In the front here, look.
Yeah, it is a full-on gimbal. Yeah.
And clips.
Look in there, 4K video.
So this one, I did a little bit of research. I nearly bought the Mini 1, didn't realise the Mini 2 would come out.
Ah.
This one, yeah, 4K camera.
It's quite sweet, isn't it?
It's 249 grams. What do you get for 249 grams nowadays? A bag of sugar? That's really heavy.
Yeah.
How much is 249 grams?
That's
I don't know, this much.
A bag of sugar is usually a kilogram.
Oh, that's 4 of them.
Yeah.
You could have 4 of those for a bag of sugar.
It's full, yeah.
Little SD slot in there, look.
There you go.
For your card. So this doesn't record anything unless you've got an SD card in there. There's no built-in memory, Jobby. Have you washed your hands? Have you washed your hands?
No, I've got dirty fingers.
Okay.
I've been welding today. I got my first weld burn.
Did you?
No.
Back to the boxing.
Back to the boxing. The unboxing. We're not boxing it up.
Yeah, let's put it back.
That'd be good actually. Do the opposite of an unboxing. Just like, we've got some of this stuff. We're gonna put it away. We're doing a reboxing. Great. Yeah. Perfect.
Right, SD card, charging little spot in there. Anyway,
Do you reckon we can do
so that's what
flips
it
with
looks like.
Can we race it? If we can get really good at this, maybe we can win some drone races. I want to be a drone pilot.
A pilot?
No, no, we're not doing that. So that's the drone.
Are you still unboxing?
Yes, this is an unboxing.
Right. I will give you the link to this guy that lives in Tahiti, Hawaii, and he does some really cool stuff with this, and he shows you all about the operations and stuff, much better than we'd ever do.
Power cables and maybe some adapters, I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, you've got like
They are.
USB-C, you've got 2 USB-Cs there, going on to Android-y type thing. My turn?
Go ahead, yeah.
No,
Go for it. Yeah.
No, go.
Yeah, good can.
Thank you. This is an unbagging.
Debagging.
Debagged. There we go.
Oh,
Power.
that's like a charging system.
Where's the battery?
Maybe it's in it.
Comes with 3 batteries, or it should do. Else we're going to rebox it.
No, so there you go.
There we go.
So the little back end opens up.
Cool. Why don't they keep it in here then?
And then, I guess to show you how it goes in and out, I suppose. And then that's your charging dock. So
Yeah.
you've got 3 batteries ready to go.
Apparently one battery, according to our friend in Hawaii, he's not our friend, he doesn't know who we are.
Have you ever met him?
Apparently you get about 20 minutes of flight out of one of these batteries.
That's pretty solid.
And when you charge this lot up,
You know what? This has a nice weight to it. Here we go.
ta-da,
That's lovely. No sticks as of yet.
the sticks are here somewhere.
Oh, do you know what?
Yeah,
They are.
I
Look at
thought
that.
they'd be clever like that.
So, if you're good at this, the sticks just pop in the bottom so you can put them away so it slots away really nicely, eh? And then they screw in like so. They have a nice
Nice feel.
feel to the top of them. Yeah, feel that, go on, touch that.
Whoa. Somewhere, we should have some spare blades as well.
Dude, I'm going to be so good at this because I play video games.
Me too, because I'm really young and hip.
What is this? What is that, like trim? Okay, so you've got... Do you know anything about how to use this yet?
I have, and I can fly the Phantom, the big boy of this.
Wow.
So,
That sounds so fancy.
however,
Cool.
he's young and he'll go like, oh look, I can do this.
Right.
Where's our spare things, man?
Hey.
Oh. So, we didn't look, but in the El Zippo,
Secret pocket up the top.
sorry, there's a bit of work going on down there.
Work. Who'd do it? Oh yeah, look, loads. Is that
Right, yeah.
4, so
Whoa.
4 entire set? In?
They clear us over that noise.
Probably not.
What have you got?
A tiny
What's the opening?
screwdriver.
Oh, L screwdriver.
Custom. That's cool. Alright, so just in case you need to get in somewhere, there.
Blades. No.
Yeah, blade. So that's the blade replacement. Look at that. That's the whole set.
That's pretty good. So you could have got the lesser set, which is still the Mini 2, but it didn't have the bag. It didn't have 2 spare batteries. Didn't have the spare blades. Didn't have a few other things. It's the basic bundle. I think that was about 400 quid or something. So
I'm excited.
we're going to just take some
Corner drive.
of the vans out of the barn.
Go for a little drive.
Go
and
for a
then
drive
Go
up.
for a fly. There you go. Right, so we should probably get this on charge and maybe get a quick idea of how to actually function as a person.
I wouldn't even bother doing that, right? Because I'm going to put a link down in the other vid because there's somebody that does it a lot better than we do. It's gone off. That means he's got a little bit of charge.
That's exciting. Sport mode? It's got a sport mode.
Goes a bit quicker.
Normal, cine, which probably means cinnamon.
Right,
Fine.
we're going to go out and play with this thing, and hopefully we'll come back with it.
Yeah, if you've made it this far, congratulations.
Go and watch the proper guy.
This bit's even worse than the bit before.
God, I bet you're glad you watched this, didn't you? Right.
See you
Ciao
next time.
Bella. What did you say?
See you next time.
Oh, ciao Bella. I think we did really well there.
Yeah, just took stuff out of the box.
Yeah. That's unboxing, right?